Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is outfit of the day, and if you'd like to see what my outfit is, then just keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. As you see, I am sitting behind my normal background. I am at home. I am kind of going back and forth to my house and then back to my mother's, just kind of helping my mom with a few things and staying with her and spending some time with her. But I figured, hey, I would do my outfit of the day at home today. So let me tell you guys what I'm wearing that matched these beautiful nails I did for my first set of Valentine nails. Now I did kind of a bad girl look today is what I did, kind of a biker chick look. And so I'll start off and tell you what I did. So my hair, I did it kind of in one of those poof balls, but kind of like a waterfall. So it was kind of like messy and just sexy, like you were riding on a Harley, right? Got to have your hair up. So that's what I did. And then I just threw in my red scrunchie with it because it didn't have to be a fancy look today. This was more of just a casual, you know, outing at like a biker bar or, you know, just for fun. That's the kind of look I'm shooting for. I like to do different looks. So that's what I did. Then I wore these earrings that I got many years ago from Debs or Dots. I can't remember. I will link everything down in the box. But they're like a chandelier drop, and I really love them. And then this necklace here, I got years ago from Avon, and it has interlocking like a silver heart that you put hearts in, different charms. Well, I took that off and I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's a beautiful crystal element. It's gorgeous. It's heavy and I love it. And I thought it would go perfect today and it fit on this chain perfectly. I loved it. So that's what I did there. Then my bracelets, I went with the ones that I got, and I can't remember again. Like I said, I link everything down in the box. I don't know if this was Savors or if I got these from Charming Charlie's. This was Charming Charlie's though, the ring I got. I love my stretch ring, and it's got the gold in it where this has got the silver, but that's okay, right? And then what I did for the outfit is my mom got me this beautiful shirt. It's definitely biker chick and definitely tough girl like. I love it. I don't know where she found it at. I will ask her, otherwise I'll just put down the box, not sure. But anyways, it's a awesome shirt that's short, and it just, let me pull my pants up a little bit here. It's just a shorter shirt, and it zips up, and it's got these holes here that are see-through, so I did a black tank under it that I just got from Walmart, and I'm not sure, like I said, where she got this. I will ask her, but I love it. Absolutely love it. And then I paired it with a pair of red jeans, and they're actually Guess jeans that I just recently got. I can't remember where, but I got them in the mall somewhere, and if I remember, I'll show you, but they're Guess jeans. Remember, we used to wear Guess back in the 90s and Gerbeau? Well, hey, everything's coming back, right? Guess is back. And then I paired it with this awesome bad girl belt with all the holes in it. Thought that would look really awesome. And they're just a pair of skinny jeans. So I love them. And then for the makeup and the lip, I went with two palettes. The Maybelline palette, I went with the Amethyst Smokies. And all I used in here was the white one all over and then the black on the inner eye. Then I went with my palette that's got all those colors in it, and I wanted to try that red look like I've been telling you guys, so I used that one. And I used that as my smoky, and I also put some underneath. Hopefully you can see that. I've never done a red on my eye, so I thought I would do it, and it turned out really great. I love it. Absolutely love it. Hope the lighting is okay in here for you guys. Hope you can see everything. Well, you'll see the photos at the end, too. And then for the lip, I did my baby lip, and it's called Sassy Scarlett. I love this one. I love the matte finish to them, and they last all day long. Absolutely love them. And then for the purse and the shoes, I just went with this purse. Again, wanted kind of a bad girl look. Got this from Five Below, $5. Perfect for this look. You know, if you're riding on a Harley, you need something that hangs over you, right? And you don't want anything too bulky with you. And then my mom got me these awesome boots. I love them. I don't know where she got them. I'll have to ask her, but I absolutely love, love, love them. They are very bad girl, very biker chick-like. I love them. I'm just zipping them up so I can show you guys. And of course, when you want things to go quick, they don't. Look at these. Aren't these awesome? I love them. I love the buckle. The other side just wraps around, and they're really nice and tall, go up to my knee. I love them. Love them so much. So yeah, I'm not sure where she got them, but I love them. And then Christmas time last year, my aunt got me a leather jacket. I love it. Look at this jacket. Absolutely love it. Sorry, I have to cover myself up to show you. You'll see it in photos, and I did a little bit of a catwalk in the jacket too. But it went perfect with this look today. That is what I try to do for you guys, is to show you all different looks. You got your, you know, your girly look, your elegant look, your cute look. I've even done a retro look. Now I've done a bad girl look. Just, you know, sexy out on the town, you know, outfits. I do all different looks for you guys. I even one day might do a, what do they call it? God, now my mind just went blank. A goth look. I think one day I'll try to do that for you guys. But I did do a retro look one time. I did an 80s look for you guys. So that I did at my brother's, though, in a marathon. So I didn't actually do it for a look for you guys there. So I might, that retro look I did was kind of 80s that I did at Christmas time. The Santa baby one, I called it. That one there was real retro. But I'm going to definitely do like an 80s look for you. Kind of like Madonna look or whatever. I'll definitely do that too. But I just like to throw different looks at you because everybody's different. Everybody likes things different, right? And I just like to share different ways that I like to fix, you know, put things together and everything like that. So, but I had a great time doing this. I hope you guys will enjoy the catwalk. Thank you again for all your love and support. I'm growing so fast and I just love it. You guys are wonderful. I apologize you're getting this on Friday today because I couldn't on Monday do the nail and the outfit on Wednesday and then something for Friday because I wasn't feeling well, like I said. I'm sorry that some of the lighting is different when I'm at my mom's versus here, but I still want to offer things to you guys. So I love you guys very much. Take care. God bless. And I can't wait to see all of you in my very next video. Let's get started on this catwalk.